The Petaluma River plays a large role in the Petaluma watershed. Maintaining a healthy ecosystem is very important. In order to do this, one of the main keys is making sure that the plant and wildlife species have the ability to thrive. The fish species in the Petaluma River depend mainly on the temperature of the water in order to live and maintain their population. If the temperature is too high, the native fish species will not be able to thrive.
So what we want to do is to see if the water is a good living condition for the native species of the Petaluma River. We designed an experiment testing the water temperature and comparing it to the average temperature the native species are used to living in. The first time we recorded the water temperature, it was 17 degrees Celsius. The second time, it was 22 degrees Celsius. And the last time we recorded the temperature, it was 25.8 degrees Celsius. This means that we got an average temperature of 21.6 degrees Celsius for the water of the Petaluma River.
The native species of the Petaluma River thrive most in water that is between 15 and 17 degrees Celsius. Examples of some of these species include the steelhead trout, Chinook salmon, and the Sacramento hitch. Since we got an average temperature of about 21.6 degrees Celsius, we can prove that the temperature of the Petaluma River is far too high. Why is too high of a temperature bad? Well, lower temperatures of water have a higher content of oxygen, which is necessary for the fish to survive.
To answer the question, is the Petaluma River ecosystem healthy? Yes, the Petaluma River is healthy because there is a sustainable temperature of the water where the fish species can live, but this doesn't mean that it can't be improved. The native fish species would better thrive if the temperature of the water was slightly colder. There are many ways to improve the water temperature while also improving the entire ecosystem.
One of the main and most effective ways to improve the water temperature is by dredging the river. This will allow the river to be deeper and the water to be cooler. Another way is to reduce the thermal pollution. This includes the runoff from the parking lots and industrial effluents near the river. The last way to improve the water temperature is by planting certain vegetation, such as trees, that will help shade the water.
In conclusion, what we've learned from this experiment is that the water temperature of the Petaluma River is a little high, but it is still maintainable for the native fish to live in. Keeping the Petaluma River healthy is very important, and the water temperature plays a key role in this.